Alright, we're getting to the video about my hair. I'll be looking all sexy and stuff. I just got out of the shower, so my hair is all poofy and stuff. I don't look ugly all the time. Well, not as ugly as this. But anyways, today we're doing an Honestly Charity Wash Collection Day. It's going to be number 11. Remember, it's going to be half my location. This is my little bit like, most of my like, my worst location. They're not like really bad. Like the first half in this video are going to be like, not the best. I pulled really most of them. And then the second half of the video is going to be the okay locations. But then when I do the next video, which is going to be 11.5, that one is going to have all of my best locations in there. So yeah, make sure you guys turn the post notification and subscribe for that, so you'll be notified whenever that video goes live on Saturday. Also, leave a like for this video right now and comment down below and tell me your name, just say what's up, you know. Let me know how many machines you have, you know, whatever, how many boxes, doesn't really matter. Share it if you want, and follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. They're all links will be in the description if you guys want to check me out on there. But anyways, it's going to be a 3-week collection. My first 3-week collection, like my last one, was just setting off with 3-week collection. This is the actual 3-week collection. And I did try Hershey Nuggets Assorted. Those are my new chocolates I added to my product list, and you will see in this video if they do good or not. I'll just tell you they did increase sales by a little bit or a lot, you know, I don't know. But you just have to compare the last video to this video, to be completely honest. You really want to know for sure, for real, you know. But anyways, guys, go ahead and enjoy the video. Alright, right here, I decided to show you guys my products. So right here we have Mars Chocolates Favorites 205 count at BJ's for $13.99. But I had a coupon today and it was $2.50 off. So yeah, next product. So just in case if you guys are wondering why I don't do York patties, the profit margins are fine, but they don't really sell well, I heard, and take up a lot of space in the box as well. But if I'm ever going on vacation or somewhere far away, I won't be able to collect my boxes for a little bit, I will definitely buy a bunch of York patties filled up with just York patties. So yeah, that's the reasons why I don't put York patties. But if you guys have any good experience with them, let me know in the comment section below. And now let's head on in to the next product. Alright, right here we have Hershey Nuggets Assorted. $11.49 at BJ's for 145 count. They're coming with 4 different flavors, and I wasn't sure at this point if they were a good seller or not, but they were $3 off, so I decided to pick one up since I already have one at home. And in this collection that you'll find out if they even sell well, because you know it's the first time you guys will see the actual collection. Alright, right here we have Family Favorites. These are one of my newer products. These come with Skittles, Original, Starburst Original, and Lifesaver Gummies. 5 different flavors. They're $10.48 for 180 count at BJ's. So that is it's okay for the profit margin. They're all basically the same. And then now we have here our $8.99 for 100 blow pops. These were my first products, so you know, one of my best sellers ever. You know, I started off with just lollipops and then moved into chocolates and like different types of chocolates, you know, a whole bunch of candies. But yeah, those are my last 2 products. This is the cart for today. We got 4 blow pops, 1 Hershey Nuggets Assorted, 2 Family Favorites, 2 Mars Chocolate Favorites. It's kind of like a risky investment, gamble type of thing, because I'm not sure if all the blow pops, I'm gonna need all the blow pops, I'm gonna need all those, all these, all this, and it could go bad by the time I do my next collection, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm taking a little bit of risk here, but hopefully it pays off, but you probably know at the end of this video. So yeah, let's hop on through to the next clip. 4 blow pops, 2 Hershey Assorted Nuggets, 2 Family Favorites, 2 Mars bro. If this week's collection is not good, I have no idea what to do with all this product, and it's a lot of wasted money also. But I did see one popular location while I was crossing by that it was basically empty yesterday, and currently today is Tuesday, and I'm going to be doing my collection Friday or Saturday. So yeah, that's going to be a little weird, but you know, I'm hoping I can use all of this product, the perfect amount. So yeah, anyways, roll the next clip. I just filled up one pack of this, one pack of that. And this thing's full to the brim almost. So, like, and this thing is pretty big. I'm gonna be honest there, like, I don't know what's bigger than this, to be honest, but I'm gonna go mix it up so you'll see both of the things. And I'll try to see what I can do. Crazy, bro. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm about to do, but one day I know what I'm about to do. Really? There we go. Alright, I'm gonna think of what I can do now, so I'll be right back. Alright, I got an idea. I take these things, put them in here, and then use them to pour it out. If you know what I'm saying, those like the perfect little thing, just like pour them out until I find a bin or go buy a bin from somewhere. These will have to do, so yeah, it is what it is, but now let's roll another time lapse. I know you like them. So it got so far, right? There's still about half of it left in each thing. I'm just gonna mix it up, and then I do have another one right here, so yeah, this is a lot more product. And by the way, I'm not sure if I put it in the video yet, but I spent $90 on all this product. 3-week collection, right? I'm hoping at least $150 total. Otherwise, I screwed up on products really badly. Okay, I'm gonna do this and be right back. $90. I did get $5 off. 50 cents off. There you go. Hopefully you can't see here the data, but you know that is what it is. This is what I did. I got that one big huge bucket, and I got these 3 blow pops thingies. Filled a bunch of candy. I didn't mix up, and then over here, the 400 lollipops. All here is the rest of the trash. So I'm gonna go dump this out, and I think I'll see you guys in the next shot. You know, I will see you guys in the next shot. I'm doing my out backwards this time, so some of them might not be the best locations, but you know, this is a nail salon. One of my smaller nail salons. So. Nothing. Doesn't anything on. Waiting for 3 weeks. Everything's still here. I'm gonna pull this on location. $1. Started until I'm taking it out, and it's supposed to be snowing, and I can feel it in my eyeballs. It's supposed to be rain though, so we'll see about this. I saw the clock isn't really doing that well, so I'm gonna take it out. Thank you. Simple as that. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead on into Papa John's. Was one of my best locations. This is my smaller Papa John's, by the way. I have 2 Papa John's those both be in this video, I'm not sure. But you probably already know, so it's I hate for my box. I had a box here with the charity box with chocolate and all the
Oh, yeah, if you go grab the box, it's up on that. You know where the receipt paper is?
I got it.
No, it's the candy guy.
Oh, you're the candy guy?
Yeah. Did it run out?
Yeah, I tried to call you the one day, but I guess nobody picked up.
I'll check the number on the back. I'm not sure if it's the right one.
Yeah, check it. Because like I said, I tried to call you, I don't know, like 5 days ago? 6 days ago?
It was very low.
It's not his.
I'll go refill it and be right back. What? Oh, the money's underneath of it. I was about to say everything's gone, which is a good thing. So hopefully we'll have a good collection. What? This is I like pizza. Raw pizza. Lockies at D. Caruso Pizza Shop, South Sandwich, whatever you want to say. She bought, I didn't put anything really in the box, so he broke out of it. That's hilarious. Real quick, these are my really bad location. The location is going to keep getting better from this point on, and I give them one more chance. Okay, Elliot, this is Catchpole Sandwich Shop. Compared to right now. Excuse me. I'm going to go refill the box.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
I can't do the comparison of box. Finally, we got some money. Now look at this plaza right here. It is a really big plaza. And I want you to guess right now in the comment section below of how many locations I have in this plaza. And I'll tell you right now, I only have one, which is crazy. ShopRite is one of my best locations. My favorite location. It is closed, not whatever.
Dreamers, I should say. Now, you should point out that Dick Durbin, who is the Democrat that co-sponsored this legislation with Lindsey Graham, has already come out and said that this is not the way that he envisioned that piece of legislation being passed.
Like I said, 3D collection. I think this one was like double the amount, so a lot of money is in here. I had to handle my hair got out of the shower, so it's so puffy and stuff. So, you know, I'm looking sexy, but you know, right, I just took a shower, so that's also messed up. But that's all what I have for you guys today in this video. Remember, the 0.5 video. The 11.5 video will be the rest of my locations, which to be honest are my better locations. So stay tuned for that video. It will be up next Saturday. And you know, that's going to be a pretty good video because I'm telling you, those collections were really good. Just putting that out there, alright? Just putting it out there. So yeah, thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you have, don't forget to follow me on my social media. So Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, subscribe down below, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Share the video if you want. Don't forget to comment down below anything you really want to say. Say what's up, say hi, you know, tell me your name, you know, whatever it is. And make sure to turn on your post notifications because I'm going to be doing a lot of live streams now. Well, not a lot. I'm going to start doing live streams now. And this is going up Saturday. I might do a live stream on Saturday, or I might do it Sunday. We'll just have to see and wait. Probably, most likely, I'm going to do it on Sunday because I already got a video on Saturday, so I'm going to do it on Sunday, most likely. So yeah, or even Monday, you never know. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be another collection date, and it's going to be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.